Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you how you can fix your Windows settings not opening or not working in most easiest way. In the first step, simply right click over the Windows icon and open terminal as admin. Now go to the video description and copy this command line. Paste it in the terminal window and hit enter. Once successfully executed, close the CMD window and restart your computer, and this should fix the issue. In the next step, search for CMD, right click over it and run it as administrator. Now type in this command and hit enter to execute it. Once this scanning process is done, simply close the CMD window and restart your computer for the changes to take effect. In the third method, search for CMD. Right click over command prompt and run it as administrator. Now copy this command line from the video description and hit enter to execute it. So once the process is done, simply restart your computer for the changes to take effect. In the fourth and final method, simply open your browser and search for Windows 11. From the search results, go to the official web page of Microsoft. Now scroll down the page and download the ISO file from here. Confirm the product language and confirm. And finally, click on the download button to download the ISO file. So once the file is downloaded, simply right click over it and mount the ISO file. Now run the setup file as administrator. Click on next from here. Accept the license agreements. At this option, make sure you are selecting the first two options only and don't select nothing from here. So once done, the problem will get resolved. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.